Hi friends, NEET 2019 is scheduled to be held on May 5, for which the application process has started on November 1. With the start of registration process, you must be thinking how to fill the NEET application form. So, Careers 360 brings a tutorial on how to fill it. In the registration process, you can start entering your personal details, which include your name, date of birth, category you belong to, person with disability status, your gender, nationality, state of eligibility for 15% All India quota, and select the identification type. There will be no change allowed in category, gender, nationality, state of eligibility, and disability details once the form is submitted. After entering the required details, you can click on Preview and Next. If the details entered are correct, then click on Next. You will be asked to create a password, add a security question and answer, enter the one-time password reference number. Now, click on Submit button to proceed. After you click on Submit button, a provisional registration number will be displayed on the screen. This provisional registration number will also be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Now log in with your new registration number and password and proceed with the registration process. Here is the first step. You need to fill your basic details. The certain details will already be filled automatically. You will have to select whether you are from minority category and answer, are you a diabetic patient? In case of a girl candidate, are you an only child of your parents? You have to select your place of birth. Also, you select the language in which you want to take the examination and provide at least 3 choices of exam cities as per your preference. After entering these details, click on Next button. In second step, you have to enter your academic details. In the Class 10 academic details, you need to enter your name of education board, name of your school, address of your school, year of passing, percentage of marks you obtained in Class 10. Then proceed to enter your Class 11 academic details, select the name of your school, year of passing, the place of studies. Then you have to enter your Class 12 academic details, which comprise of your school board of Class 12 qualifying examination, name of your school college, whether you're from open school, address of your school college and the open school, the place of study, state where your Class 12 school is located, district where your Class 12 is located, qualifying exam code, year of passing, whether you're appearing Class 12 qualifying exam, percentage of marks you have obtained in Class 12 qualifying exam, and you have to enter your roll number of Class 12. Now, enter the details of subject-wise marks obtained in Class 12 qualifying exam. Then, click on Next button to proceed. Now you have to fill in your address details containing house number, locality, landmark, village, town, city, pin code, state, district, landline with STD code. Then you have to fill the parent guardian qualification, occupation and annual income details. Now you have to answer yes or no to the question that whether you intend to wear customary dress contrary to the dress code while appearing for NEET 2019. Enter the security pin and click on Preview and Submit. A message for review page will pop up on the screen mentioning to review the following information carefully. Now, you must preview the details and enter the OTP number sent to the registered mobile number. Then, click on Final Submit button. While clicking on the Final Submit button, you will be asked whether you wish to submit the application form. If you are sure, then click on Yes, please do. However, if you want to change anything, you can click on Oops, No button. Thereafter, you will be required to upload your scanned passport size photographs and signature in the application form. You have to ensure that you follow the instructions for uploading the scanned images. Once the process of uploading of scanned passport size photograph and signature is completed, click on Next button. Now you have to make the payment of NEET application form. The page will be automatically redirected to the payment window. Here, you have to select the mode of paying the application fee. If you are paying through debit card, then you have to enter your card details and click on Pay. Once the payment will be made successfully, the confirmation page will be generated indicating that your application form is successfully submitted. Don't forget to take 3 printouts of confirmation page for future references.
Like the video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated on other universities and entrance exams. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and www.careers360.com.